welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. On this video I wanted to go over the importance of salt and where I get my salt from, what I store it in, and a little more information about it. When I went to Barbara O'Neill's health retreat a year ago, I think on the second day of lectures she had talked about the importance of water, hydration, and salt. And she said that the best kind of salt is the Celtic Sea Salt, and I've been buying this salt ever since then. This is the brand I buy and the exact kind I buy. I bought mine in a 2-pack that came with 2 of them from Amazon. The link to this salt will be in the description to the video below. So basically I get this salt, it's non-GMO. If you go onto their website, it has a ton of information on how they gather it, what's their processing procedures, what's so great about it, and a whole bunch of other information. I don't only use this for hydrating and to get my minerals for the day. I also use it in all of my cooking. I basically take it out of this package and I store it in this glass sealed container. I'm about ready to fill this one up. So let me tell you a little bit about salts. So salt obviously is the most vital element for life. Our body needs it. And sodium is found in nature, and its most natural state is in seawater. Now, seawater has 92 minerals. 30% of it is sodium, and 50% of seawater is approximately 50% chloride. Now, this is really good salt because it has 82 minerals still. So you're only lacking 10%, which mostly gets evaporated in the drying process. It turns from seawater to these granulated crystals that you see, and so in that process it loses 10 different minerals. So if you're looking for salt and vital minerals, this is the best you're going to get. Now let's talk about table salt, because not all salt is the same. This is not even close to table salt. Table salt is actually very bad for you. The only good thing it might be good for is scrubbing your pots and pans and washing collard greens or something. Table salt only has 2 minerals. It starts out as sea salt, then they dry it, then they bleach it, and then they add aluminum to it. So all you're left with is sodium and chloride. All the other minerals are completely gone, and your body cannot function with just sodium and chloride. It makes you dehydrated, it doesn't go into your cells, it takes away your flavor and your taste buds. It's very, very, very bad for you. The good thing about the Celtic Sea Salt is it has 3 different types of magnesium. So if you're getting regular sea salt, like from the grocery store, it just says sea salt, not Celtic Sea Salt. It's not going to have the 3 different types of magnesiums. So the Celtic Sea Salt has magnesium bromide, magnesium sulfate, and magnesium chloride. Now, you need these minerals of magnesium when you're trying to hydrate the body and the cells, because you need magnesium to hydrate every cell in the body. What magnesium does is it pulls water, and that's how it's going to hydrate your cells. The magnesium is going to go into your cell, it's going to pull in water, and therefore all your cells will have water and be hydrated. There's a lot of different sicknesses and ailments that go into having issues with regular salt and it getting into your cell, because your minerals come out in your sweat, urine. It makes you swell up when you don't have the right amount of minerals and magnesium in your cells and in your body. And that's why I have this. Now, I also make kind of like a homemade Gatorade. I can do that in another video for you guys if you would like. It's the good Gatorade, because Gatorade is actually not good for you at all. And that's why if you notice you drink Gatorade, you just have to pee all day long. It's not going into your cells like it's supposed to. It hydrates you for a very short period of time, and then you gotta go to the bathroom. You gotta go to the bathroom. That's because it doesn't have all the minerals you need. Now the difference, let's say between this salt and pink Himalayan salt. Well, the pink Himalayan salt is going to have a higher amount of minerals than, let's say, table salt, obviously, but it's not going to have those 3 magnesiums in it that you're going to need. Magnesium, as you know, it brings down inflammation, it helps you deal with pain, aches. This is what you guys need to buy. The Celtic Sea Salt here. I'm not sure if there's other brands. This is the brand that I choose and that I trust. Now, to properly hydrate yourself, some people add this in water. It's not going to be the best option for you. You're going to want to take a very small amount, just a couple granules. You can see that's one. Take a couple more, put it on your tongue, let it dissolve. You're gonna see your mouth is watering. That's gonna happen because magnesium likes water. It's gonna draw the water out of your mouth and your tongue, and then you're gonna want to drink water. So when you take the granules on your tongue, let them disintegrate into your mouth. It's going to pull water out of the cells and fibers in your mouth. Drink a whole glass of water, and then that water will go into your cells because of the magnesium is going to draw it into the cells for you. So what they say, or what Barbara had mentioned, is to take salt every second glass of water. So you're supposed to have 8 glasses of water a day. So 4 times a day, take a couple granules and then drink your cup of water, and you'll see a difference. You'll feel better. You won't have to pee every 5 seconds like when you're drinking water all day. It makes a big difference. I wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, see you later.